for the safety of police officers and also to prove whether or not an officer is lying, what kind of video cameras do they have on them, in their cars? Can they control them to turn them on and off? Is it live streaming? And how far away can those cameras pick up any kind of interactions that happen between the general public and a police officer?
Well, that's a wonderful question, sir. Basically, the officers do not carry any type of body cameras at this time. That may be in the works in the future, but as of right now, that is not currently done. As far as their vehicle cameras, well, those vehicle cameras are automatic with any type of situation they deal with. Now, those can be stopped during certain incidents. They're no longer required, but at most points they are used.
So that means, in other words, if a cop stops a car, that camera is automatic, that recorder is automatically going to go on to protect the cop, right?
To protect that person as well, sir.
Right.
Right, absolutely.
Okay, so that means 2 days ago, February 9th, 4:30 at Wilson Avenue and 23rd Street, there will be a recording of where a cop, a white police officer, made a threat to a bicyclist, and there's probably video recording of it. Also, where a cop stopped a bicyclist, was riding alongside the road. The bicyclist was riding in a very normal manner. He wasn't drinking, wasn't weaving, wasn't on a cell phone on his bicycle or anything like that. And I witnessed this cop threaten this bicyclist. He was coming from west going east, Panama City, Florida.
I'll say right now, sir, I can understand your concern in that particular situation if you did observe what you're saying, but unfortunately, that's not a situation that can be handled over the phone. Now, we do have supervisors here at the Panama City Police Department that you can always come in and talk to in regards to this issue. And if you do know that particular officer's name, you can file a form complaining about that officer's behavior. But from your residence, it cannot be completed. You must come into the police department.
Okay, first of all, number one, you all have GPS in your cars, right?
Yes, sir, we do.
That's right, and them GPSs are also going to identify who that cop is in that car, and also a map.
That's also going to have to be handled from the police department. This isn't something I can handle over the phone.
This can be. Let me ask you something. Are you swearing? Let me ask. Hold me in. No, wait a minute. No, wait a minute. You don't order me around. Now I got some questions to ask you. Okay? You're a public servant, right?
Somebody direct your call.
Yes, Garrett. I greatly appreciate it if you could get me in touch with somebody in the Bay County Sheriff's Department, because I can't get any answers out of the idiot clown Panama City cops about the video recorders that they carry on them, the video cameras and recorders that are in the cars that can protect the citizen, and that can also prove whether or not a cop is lying. Now, I can't get no answers from the Panama City Police Department. This has
Jim, please quit hollering. You're hurting my ears.
no disrespect to you, but I'm going to have that cop fired, and I'm going to have him prosecuted.
Jim, quit hollering. I'm going to hang up on you. Quit hollering. You're hurting my ears. I can hear you well.
Garrett,
I understand, Jim.
What I saw, it seems to me, no disrespect to you, Garrett, it seems to me bicyclists are trash to be barely tolerated in our society. Bicyclists don't mean anything, right? Okay?
They do to me, Jim. Hold on, let me try to find somebody to try to help you, okay?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay. Miss Becky is available. Just a minute.
Thank you very much.
Yesterday. Just a minute.
Thank you.
Becky John. I'm unavailable at this time. If you please leave a message, I'll return your call. Thank you and have a great day.
Yes, who am I speaking to? The Bay County Sheriff's Department?
Yes, it is.
Yes, Yes, who am I speaking to so you can identify yourself so I can prove that I talked to somebody at the Bay County Sheriff's Department?
My name is Sally Sparks.
Okay, Sarah Sparks?
Sally Sparks.
Okay, Sally,
Yes.
I want to talk to somebody at the Bay County Sheriff's Department. As of February 11th, 2016, 10 o'clock in the morning, I want to talk to somebody at the Bay County Sheriff's Department and find out why it is I can't find out whether or not the cops in the Panama City Police Department have got video recorders and tape recorders to protect themselves, but also at the same time to prove whether or not a cop is a liar. I can't get no answers from the Panama City Idiot Clown Department, so I want the Bay County Sheriff's Department to get some, guts up and order the cops to find out exactly what's going on, because I witnessed something I never thought I'd see in my life, of where a cop ordered a bicyclist to get up on the sidewalk who's going to arrest him and throw him in jail. Do you think that's just a funny thing to happen? Do you think...
That's hilarious.
Oh, it's funny, isn't it? Because it didn't happen to you, right?
No, sir.
You don't care about bicyclists, right?
I do care about bicycles.
Then why did you say it's hilarious?
You said it was funny?
Disgustingly funny.
Oh, okay. I misunderstood. I apologize.
Now,
I apologize.
that's okay. That's all right. Seems to me that the Panama City Idiot Clown Department, they trivialize, and bicyclists are trash and don't mean anything, but when Bryce Jackson, a doctor, gets arrested for cocaine, all of a sudden Waylon Graham, screamer, attorney, gets his case thrown out, and yet I saw pictures of all kinds of look like cocaine on the door, the floor mat of the car. But because he could afford a highfalutin attorney, he probably paid $25,000 for the case. That mouthpiece goes, hey, half of the machine results are wrong at all times. Now, I want to know why it is I can't find out what kind of recorders the idiot Panama City cops have got to prove whether or not they're lying. And also, I want that cop to also take a polygraph and under perjury, and he will go to prison under 837 of the Florida statutes. So who can I talk to?
Police department about that?
Oh, I've already tried talking to them idiots.
Okay. What would you like the Bay County Sheriff's Office to do?
I want to find out what kind of cameras that they got on them, what kind of recorders they got on them. And I want to know if the Bay County Sheriff's Department is going to consider this a very serious crime when a cop threatens somebody's freedom on a bicycle, which I witnessed on 23rd Street and Wilson Avenue in Panama City, Florida, 4:30, February 9th, 2016.
Okay. Alrighty, I'm gonna ring you to someone that's gonna take care of that matter.
And what is their name? What is their name?
I don't know.
Gee whiz, how can you connect me to somebody if you don't even know who they are?
City Police Department.
No, I've already tried going to the Panama City Idiot Clown Department.
I don't think they're a clown department.
I know they're a clown. I know that they've been protecting boom car terrorists, okay?
Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna switch you to... Hold on just a moment.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, who am I speaking to, please?
Sorry.
Okay, Sally, I don't understand this. You said you was going to get me somebody to talk to at the Bay County Sheriff's Department. Do you got to deal with the cell phone company so that they can burn out my minutes? I want to talk to somebody immediately.
Yes, sir. Hold on just a moment.
Communication 352, is this the Bay County Sheriff's Department?
It is.
Okay, 352, I am trying to get somebody in the Bay County Sheriff's Department. It is 10/29, a Thursday, February 11th. I'm trying to get some answers to get the Bay County Sheriff's Department to get me answers of where the Panama City Police Department will not do anything about. I want to know what kind of recorders, video recorders the cops have on them in their cars to prove whether or not they are liars.
Okay, sir, I can't really understand you because you're talking so loud on the phone. It's echoing.
I want to know why it is February 11th, 2016, 10:30 in the morning. I call the Panama City Police Department and I try to get some answers on what kind of recorders, what kind of video recorders do the cops carry on them? Can they control them recorders? Do they have them on them? Is there live streaming? And I can't get any answers. I can't get any answers from the Panama City idiot clown departments that are too busy protecting drug dealers, terrorizing homeless.
Okay, so listen to me, Lieutenant. Are you wanting to know about the Panama City Police Department's equipment specifically or all law enforcement?
Hey, is it all nowadays? Ever since the shooting of Michael Brown in Ferguson, where they were talking about that they were going to put cameras?
A lot of the agencies have them, but not all agencies are going to have the same equipment, sir. So it's going to be specific to the agency. So Panama City may have different equipment than the Bay County Sheriff's Office. The Sheriff's Office may have different equipment than Panama City Beach, and so on and so forth. So if you want to know about Panama City is going to have to answer the question.
Well, then,
the Sheriff's Office can't.
well, how about we get the Sheriff's Department to force the Panama City idiot clowns to answer that question, and then on top of that, I want that clown, that idiot clown who threatened that bicyclist, I want him to take a polygraph test. And I also want him to take a drug test, and I want him to take a drug test too. I want him to take a drug test too. Yes.
The Sheriff's Office cannot force the Panama City Police Department to answer questions for you. Okay, you're going to have to go to the chain at the Panama City Police Department and speak up the chain until you get to the Chief of Police.
But let me ask you.
If you don't get the answer,
Oh, no, wait a minute. Hear me out. No, you hear me out. No, you hear me out. No, you hear me out. You're saying this under perjury right now. You know this. Did somebody tell you that?